How to add a color to the Hostinger website builder color palette. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a color to the color palettes into your Hostinger. So basically it is going to be a very easy step and also a very editable step that we can do for all of the colors that you have into your Hostinger. So we are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the H panel whenever you're going to sign in. Once you have did that, you're going to see all the websites by clicking on the websites, then websites list, and now we're going to see everything together. Make sure that you have at least selected the website or edited the website that has the discontinued square, which is going to be the logo of the official Hostinger website builder. So you're going to click on any one of these by clicking on edit website. Once you have clicked on that, you're going to wait for the website to load up. Now, what are we going to do is to wait for the website, and then we're going to head over here, the left side of the screen. So basically, you're going to head over the left side of the screen. Then you're going to click on website styles, which is going to be represented with a capital A with the, as you can see, painting board. So you're going to face the first thing that is going to be the colors. So these are going to be the color palettes. So here we have the color, and each of the colors is going to be defined with the number of times that has been used in this website. For example, the white color is going to be used for 312 times. So that means that we are not going to change the color of white because it is going to be representing at least, I don't know, here 80 or 90% of the colors, or not the colors, but the text and also the backgrounds that has been used in here. So make sure that you're going to select the least used colors like this one, and then you are going to click on change. So for example, we have this color, which is going to be this. I'm going to copy that. I have here this color, and we are going to add maybe a section. Let's see here if we have a free section. So we do have a free section. Maybe I'm going to edit that section to put a color for it. And that color is going to be the gray that we have picked. Normally, the number is going to be augmented or increased to the times that has been changed or used. So we are going to click on change, and then we are going to select a color. So you can go ahead and have a pick color or a color picker. As you can see, you can have some gradients, some transparency, and also the color gradient, all of them together. Or you can go ahead and type in on Google color hex codes. Then you're going to select one of the websites that you're going to have. For example, the HTML color codes. You're going to enter it, and then they will give you some hex codes. Basically, you're going to see some palettes or some specific colors that like these, like light coral, salmon, dark salmon, and light salmon. Or you can go ahead and see one of these. So basically, you're going to select one of these colors, and then you're going to get the hex code of that color. For example, here I have this color. It is going to be this orange, I think. And then you're going to have the color like that. I'm going to copy the color, and then we are going to have it in here, paste it like that, and you're going to click on accept. And as you can see, this specific color palette has been changed to the color that we have put the hex code for. You can do that for any specific section or any specific palette, but I highly recommend for you to use it only for the palettes that has been at least or least used in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.